When we decided to redesign the Bimeo 400 software, our goal wasn't just to add new features. It was to truly rethink how therapists and patients interact with the system. We wanted to create a smarter, more intuitive platform that adapts to each user's needs, simplifies clinical workflows, and ultimately helps deliver better rehabilitation outcomes. Every decision we made was driven by real feedback from the people who use Bimeo every day. Let me show you some of these features. Straight away you can notice the new modern look, and hopefully the new UI is much easier to use. As always with Bimeo, we're going to start with the initialization process, and here you can see that I've positioned the device correctly on my hand and that the master sensor is facing the screen as it should be, and we can initialize it. The first change are the new assessment protocols that will help you track the patient's progress much more objectively. Let's try the new reaching protocol to show you how it looks. Here you can see the Bimeo mode that the device needs to be in, and once I start the scenario, I can press play, and straight away we can start doing the assessment. So the goal of this one is to reach the smiley face in all corners of the screen and then go back to the middle to the target. And as you can see, all while I'm doing this assessment on the left side, you can see the values for how I'm doing with the movements of my hand. In the end, you can see a list of all the scores for the parameters for each of the movement modalities, and this helps you track the progress of your patient. The other big change is the shifted focus from therapy scenarios to therapy programs, which are much more efficient. I've already created one to show you how they look. I'll just change the following blocks to 1 minute and make it to hard mode, and we can start playing this game. Here in the match 3 game, the idea is to match 3 of the same shapes. As I'm about to finish the game, you can see the score that I have achieved, and now we can already start the next scenario, which is following blocks. Once we're done with therapy, we can head into the analysis and reports tab, where we can see the new updated graphs, which are much easier to understand and will help both patients and clinicians track the progress. As you can see, we didn't just upgrade the software, we reimagined the way Bimeo 400 works for both therapists and patients.